Welcome back to Metaloop. We got a nail in the tire of our Audi A4, and coincidentally, Harbor Freight has their tire repair kit on sale through December 26, 2022 for $3.99. All relevant links will be in the description below. We're going to use the kit and these tools here to remove the nail and plug the leak. Here you'll find the kit, some pliers, and water with dish soap to help confirm the leak and fix. We'll remove the tire to make it easier to perform the fix. In a previous video, I showed how to remove and rotate tires for the B9 A4. You'll find that link in the description too. The kit comes with a reamer tool to clean the hole left by the nail. This will give the best chance for the plug material to seal the hole properly. Next is the insertion tool to plug the hole in the tire, along with a razor blade to cut off excess material. Then some rubber cement to help keep everything in place. And lastly, the plugs themselves. The kit comes with 5. Use a pair of pliers to remove the nail. In my case, side cutters helped me get under the head so I could pull it out. We'll use some soapy water to confirm the leak once the nail is out. Next is the reamer tool to clean the hole out. Give it a few good twists and push it in and out until it feels like the hole is smoothing out. Position the plug at the center of the insertion tool. I'm making the opening wider on my tool to ensure that the plug remains in place when I pull out the tool. The next part is a little tough. You'll see here, this is my second attempt actually. Push the plug as far in as you can and then pull the tool out quickly. The plug should remain in place. I found it tough to get more of the plug in, though the second attempt was way better than the first. From here, cut off the excess material with the razor blade and get it as flush as possible to the tire. Then inflate the tire. I really like this tire inflator from Ryobi, especially if you already have Ryobi tools and batteries. The A4 tires need to be inflated to 36 psi. After that, we'll do one final check with the soapy water to verify this fix. Put the tire back on and we're done. If you're able to, driving the car for a couple minutes will help plug the seal on the tire. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you end up picking up this kit from Harbor Freight or found this video helpful. For more videos like this, please consider subscribing. I'm Alan, and this is Metaloop.